What's up, Fossil? Congratulations on a great fall for sports and activities. Y'all did amazing. Soccer, you got second in state. Football, you were the first team in school history to win the league. Marching band, you got second in state. Volleyball, you were the second in the league. Cross country, you had a great season. And girls cross country, you got fifth at state. Unified flag football, tennis, and golf, you all had great seasons. Good work. Softball, you made the Final Four. Dance, you got second in the competition. That's crazy. And cheer, you made nationals. Good job.
And Ryan, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my family and my friends.
Alrighty, who are we here with today?
Rowan.
Do you have any fun plans for Thanksgiving?
I'm gonna go to Italy with my family.
Being able to spend time with friends and family.
This door.
I'm going to see my grandparents up in Utah.
Eating.
Just hang out with friends and family.
Family, nice to see you. Looks like you're all doing well. And alive.
Huh?
She said we look alive!
Where's the beehive?
Hey, Pumpkin, how is school?
Your grandmother just asked you a question. Adeline Nancy Harper Zellsharer, you get off your phone this instant!
Fine, Carol.
Excuse me, I think I'm too old for the kiddie table. I'm 24 years old. Do you guys think I
Who
can
cooked
sit
this
with you
meal? I did. Oh.
Carol, I heard you and Ken bought a new house.
And I assume you're massively in debt now. Ken has a stable job and it's not my fault. Your husband left you 3 years ago.
You know what, Carol? girls, please, your sisters are supposed to love each other. Tell that to the monster you burned 27 years ago.
I am 25. You are so bad. I don't like such a campaign. You are such a bad person. This is why your husband left you. I can't
no one
stand
likes you.
this.
I'm a surprise.
Well, another successful Thanksgiving.
Hey everyone! If you're thinking about auditioning for the spring musical Legally Blonde, you should come to dance workshops, which are on November 30th and December 6th. During these workshops, you will learn all the skills you need to prepare for your dance audition. Dance auditions are on December 11th.